special welcome to our Flying Blue and Sky Team members. In a few moments we will show you a video about the safety procedures on board. In addition to the demonstration of the oxygen mask in the video, you have to remove your personal protective face mask first before placing the provided oxygen mask over mouth and nose. We also like to draw your attention to the fact that it is not allowed to take pictures of film our crew and passengers without permission. This due to the fact that it violates privacy regulations. On behalf of KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, we wish you a pleasant flight.
I've done a lot in my life. It's been ups and downs. You know, like I've done big shows, I've done small shows. I've traveled so much. I've learned a lot along the way. And I've realized there's more to life. So I don't have no time. I don't even have a minute to waste. I feel like every second of my life now, I've got to find a way to keep motivating people before it's too late.